So today, me and Jackie's just coming in now. We're at the Golf Delux, and the place is, I forgot it already, Los Alcázares. Yeah. Anyway, I'll put all that information down below, just in case you don't read it. So when you come into the Golf Delux, now just to say also that this Golf Delux, what it is, it's Europe's largest artificial miniature golf course. So this is like a crazy golf course, 18 hole. So when you come in, there's a nice big car park over there. Come into the restaurant area. We've got some prices there. I'll put all that below as well about the prices. So me and Jack are going to go out.
And the food is really nice because I've been here loads of times.
Yeah. So we're going to go out now in the sun. Just a reminder. Below the video is all the information about this video, be it the music, the equipment I use, also a little bit about the actual video itself. Up in the top left hand corner there will be videos related to this video. Also, if you check out my playlist on my channel, I've got loads of videos on there, guys. Please check it out. Now, if you want to fund me, which would be fantastic, below the video in the description there'll be 2 links. One is for buy me a coffee, which is most appreciated, but also you can buy a t-shirt, which will look like this. The other thing is, what's the other thing? The other thing is, guys, you've got to subscribe. If you like the stuff, yeah, please subscribe. Comments are fantastic. Ring the bell. That's a handy. That won't make you forget, because I always say, guys, at the end of my videos, you've got to keep watching or you're going to miss something. Anyway, you can go back and enjoy the video now. But yeah, keep watching. As you come outside, you've got to pick your putter. Now obviously this wouldn't be for me because it's too loud. So Jackie's got the right one. Anyway, there's no special name for the clubs other than
putter.
It's a putter.
Just a putter.
So we're going to start off at number 1 hole.
Yep. Boy blue, there you go. Boy blue, girl green.
Right.
So you remember your ball now.
Obviously you get a ball each as well, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah. So we got the rules.
In English and Spanish.
So don't forget.
That's not Spanish. That's
no high heels.
I'm alright.
This is the first one. Hole 1.
Par 2.
So that means two goes?
Got to get the ball in the hole in just 2 shots.
Right. Okay, now I'm going to put my back to you now, guys, because I'm a left-hander. And it doesn't seem to be... I ain't got a clue how you do this, so no. So you're not going to see this very well.
Oh boy. Hold on, stop. Right, let's give you a golf lesson first.
Okay, golf lesson.
Right, you don't hold it like this, like you're about to chop a bit of wood.
Right.
Okay, hold it like that, fingers down it.
What, like that?
Yeah, with your hands close together.
Yeah, right.
And you don't swing it like this with your wrists, right? You keep a nice steady thing and pivot at the shoulders so you get a nice putting stroke, yeah?
I thought you said this ain't like golf.
Yeah, but with that awful swing,
okay.
You know, you need a little bit of help.
So that's like
that's better. Perhaps not quite so aggressive because it is only a little mini golf.
Right.
And we want to keep the ball in the pitch.
And I've only got 2 goes at this. I can't see this happening. Yeah?
Yeah, lovely. That's it.
Alright, round on. Okay, so it's gone in the bunker and the other bunker.
That's alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, joining you in the
look
bunker.
at that, eh? Look at that. Obviously been there many times. Jackie has been there a few times, so she knows how the ball bends like that.
Look, you've got to do me.
So Jackie's is about 2 inches away from it, and I'm in the difficult position here. So, hands together?
Yeah. You want your left hand below your right hand.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. Right. Okay. You shouldn't have done that.
A little bit hard maybe.
A bit hard. So,
nearer the hole.
Yeah.
Yay.
So Jackie obviously done it in 2 par, and I'm in the bunker. Okay. We're only showing you what you're supposed to do. Obviously I'm not professional like Jackie. So anyway, I didn't do it in two, so
That's cheating, isn't it?
So Jackie was telling me this whole year, which was, these guys have got to whack the ball. Not when I say whack, they obviously hit the ball. And it's got to go over the water and down into the hole. It's a bit quick, that one. Action.
Okay.
Oh, eh?
Perfect.
Yeah,
Out with that. Let's see if this way gets it.
Yeah. Alright, whoop, whoop.
Oh, that was close. Yeah. We have a go on this one after this though.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm going to have a go at this. I'm using Jackie's technique of the left hand down. And, oh dear, not hard enough. Obviously needs a bit more of a whack. Yeah, I got over the water, didn't I? I mean.
Wow!
Ah, that's what you're not supposed to do. Yeah, oh look at that, eh? That's it, with the bunker. Just like that. It's going to have to be us then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nej men det är rätt dumme. Champis? Champis? Champis?
Champagne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get on the podium? Yay! You never won.
Right.
The winner is Sean.
Yes. Which is gracias.
Yeah.
Finish up here then.
And the friendly staff are nice as well.
Okay.
So hope you enjoyed that, folks. You've got to come out here. The family come out visiting. It's a fantastic golf. I mean, I had a go, and I was pretty pants. Whereas Jackie, yeah, she knows all the movements. But this is the place to come. Right.
Just a bit of fun.
Here's the price. What's good about coming there as well, you can also have a meal. So you've got golf, your food, 16 euros. We did see a menu. I'll put that up at the end as well. So, as I always say, keep watching, guys. If you don't, you're going to miss something. And Jackie's just bringing up the menu now. So that's today's menu, guys. Anyway, keep watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. I can't do that.